Welcome to RCC Adventures. Yeah, we're going to try and do something a little bit different today. Now you see Harlequin here with a microphone on the back. Now, I tried it with the microphone down by the exhaust, and yeah, it was far too distorted. So we're going to try it a little bit different. As a van's going past, taking up all of my noise. So I'm hoping that this is going to be a bit of a different sound compared to the first one. The first one, it picked it up pretty good, but it was very distorted. It sounded like it was a massive blow. So I'm hoping that this is going to be a little bit more crisp. So let's get into it and try, shall we? Because, you know, V5. Right, so before we begin, I thought I'd do a little bit more talking, because what I'm famous for is talking. Now, I thought I'd show you the setup that I've got inside. So, I'll show you around here like that. Camera there, connected to the old suction cup mount. An old phone there, you can see screen's on, ready to go. It's all connected up, and hopefully we're going to have some good sound. So the next bit you'll see is hopefully the microphone outside working, and we're getting cold start and the video coming from over there. If this doesn't work, then you'll never see this footage. But yeah, these are out of the headlining. It's kind of falling apart, but whatever. Let's get on with the V5. hope guys that was cool. Hopefully it's come out clear enough for you, and you want to go and get a VR platform car, because the 5 and the 6, they are similar sounding. The 6 sounds a little bit more crisp, where the 5 sounds more angry. That's my personal opinion. I know it's Dad's opinion as well. Yeah, so hopefully that sounded cool. If you liked it, please give this video a like and a share. Make sure your friends are sharing it with all of the other people that they know, and that they are subscribed themselves. And when you hit subscribe, make sure you hit that bell icon and you can get all the notifications. If you don't, you might not necessarily see our next video. Next video, as I said, will probably be on the Jag, and then there'll be more content on this. Maybe a little bit on Ron. We haven't seen Ron for a while, which obviously is the channel car, because we bought it for the channel. We haven't seen him for a while. And yeah, so what else is there to say, really? V5s, VR platform cars, they roll. Yeah, any 5-cylinder, really. Good times. Right, anyway, catch you later, guys.